I had made the mistake of fixing the netting to close to the fence for this clematis to get enough air circulating. As you can see, it is almost touching the fence. The answer was to attach 2x4 timber posts to the concrete posts and then fix the netting to the wooden posts, giving a much greater clearance. I will take you through how I did the job. 2 pieces of timber have cut to size just short in length of the concrete posts to keep them clear of the soil, and given 2 coats of a good preservative. Drill a 7mm hole about 20mm down from the top, and one 40mm up from the bottom. Dive the space between for 1 or 2 more holes. 2. A countersink all the holes. Attach the timber to the concrete post with G-clamps. If you have not got any G-clamps, you could try wedging the bottom with a piece of wood, and at the top use cable ties. The concrete posts and fence that I'm using is off a different structure to the usual. I was able to use G-clamps on the side. Using a long 7mm masonry drill, insert it in the top hole of the wood and drill into the concrete post. Insert the plug and hammer it as far as it will go. Then using the chuck key, hammer it through the wood into the concrete post. Finally tighten screw. Continue with the remaining fixings. Repeat the process on the other concrete post. You are now ready to fix the netting in position. Materials required for the job: 2mm by 15 meters PVC coated wire, one length of 28 by 4 by 1000 millimeters, galvanized flat strip, pack of 5 8mm eye bolts, box of 4.2 by 19 millimeters panhead screws, 2-inch mesh netting. The netting came in a roll 6 meters by 500 millimeters, cut into 3 lengths to fill the gap between the posts. Staple the netting to the 2 uprights. Fix the centerpiece temporary to the top of fence. Making the brackets. Position strip 60 millimeters down in vise. Pull or hammer to 90-degree bend.
Cut bracket off and round end.
Instead of bending the steel strip, a straight piece can be used as shown here. Fix 5 of the brackets with panhead screws to each post equally spaced. On one side, fit the eye bolts. Do not tighten at this stage. Fix the wire to a bracket at the end with no adjustment. Thread the wire through the netting. Fix to the adjustable end. Pull tight as possible. Tighten all with spanner. Join the gapes in the netting with wire, making it as tight as possible. Finally, check over for tightness of all wires.